We have started, and once we reach our Kasi, it is really a heavenly experience. We never thought this kind of warm welcome will be given by our state. It is really a, what to say, it is a Raja Maryada in Tamil. Rajpath. And also in Tamilians, it is a dream in worshipping Lord Vishwanath at Kasi as well as Ram Janmabhoomi. So I never thought, the time of Ram Janmabhoomi, I got tears from my eyes. So wonderful experience, and once again I am thanking our Modi ji as well as our Yogi ji for wonderful arrangements to make us to be all here.
To commemorate this great journey, to make this a lifetime memory, and to make sure that this connection becomes a permanent connection, we will start a Tamil Kashi Sangamam Express.